G'day everyone. Today we're going to be building an El Cheapo light box. So this is a little greenhouse. You can buy them from anywhere. I got this one from Bunnings. I joined OnePass for free delivery, for those in Australia who know what that is. It's on special for $12 at the moment, a year. So this is just a cheap greenhouse. It was $39 I think. I'll put a link and a price up there. And we're going to use our lights, Growlights, that we got from Temu, again, link will be up there, to strap around this, put some alfoil on the inside, and hopefully we'll have a usable lighthouse for my seedlings. Stop them being all leggy and that sort of thing. So let's turn the lights on and I'll show you what they're like. All right, here's our real grow lights. Look at that, meant to be the right spectrum and all. And that's what we'll be taping around the inside, and that was only a couple of dollars. All right, let's unbox the greenhouse. It's always fun to unbox stuff. I've had a few of these Saxon ones before. They don't last terribly long, they rust. Plastic seems to last a long while, but the frame itself doesn't. So I said I'd never buy any more of these, but this is for a very specific purpose. And hopefully it won't get too wet, so it won't rust too quickly. All right, there's our straight ones. There's our roof ones. They all came apart. So that's the long ones, I think. Yes. So we're going this way. Okay, we're just going to give it a gentle tap down because it's not very strong. Just to make sure they're seated fully. There we go. All right, so that's our greenhouse. Now what we have to do is get our lights in there. Now, I haven't done this before, so I'll probably make plenty of mistakes. All right, so let's unravel this because we want to start with the end, not the beginning. I've just discovered something. This is self-adhesive. I didn't realise that. It's even better. Not sure how good the self-adhesive is, so we'll still use our cable ties to make sure it stays in place. that's it, we're out. All right, so we haven't got a huge amount, but the good news is I ordered some more Temu Growlights. Need a bigger one. So let's just put some cable ties on to hold it in place. I've got some flat panel grow lights coming in the next few days, so we'll use those on these shelves. Putting the cable ties everywhere that there might be pressure and the sticky will come undone, like these tops of the arch. Okay, that should hold it in place sufficiently. I'll get another one there. All right, let's see if it works. There we go. As I said, I want to get reflector in here, but I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. The alfoil's too thin. But that should give some nice glow to our grow. All right, we just need to tie this down so the cover doesn't blow off. Straps are a bit short. Come on guys, how much would it have cost to make these just an inch longer? And there we are. One grow house almost ready. I'll see if I can get some old dashboard protectors out of a car. I think we might have an old one in the car. Put the reflective in here. But let's turn him on again. Might not need the reflective stuff in there. Seems to reflect in quite well. What do you think? I've got a couple of more light panels coming in the next few days, which I'll put in here and there. Right, to get a bit of reflection in here, I'm just going to put some alfoil over the trays. Like so. Doesn't need to be neat. We'll pop him in there. There we go. So as we can see, there's 3 of them done. One more.
Say hello.
What do you want, Ruth? You're used to food being in the alfoil, aren't you? That's nice and easy. We'll worry about getting the back reflection in if I can find some car. That's the trays done. And we'll see if we've got some old car windscreen protectors to put around the back. Right, let's have another lights on. All right, let's see how it goes with the reflectors on there. Mostly interested in the top bits. There you go, what do you think, Shans?
Good.
Particularly that one. So I think I've got 3 or 4 new panels coming, so I can put one up here, one there, and one there. All right, let's put it outside. There we go, we'll turn it on. Can't see much out here, but it'll be nice at night. I'll get some of the seedlings in there now, in fact. A bit squeezy here, but live with it. Okay, so here we have some very leggy purple collie. Cabbage is okay, but still a bit leggy. But a lot of it's very leggy. We'll try rescuing it by putting it in here. I discovered I have a whole, well, 3 of these trays, which are too big for our oven, too big for our barbecue, so they were just sitting around. I put them on the roof as a reflector, so have a look in there. One little hint with this, put the cover on after you've put all the reflectors in. I'm going to have to take the cover off later on to put it in properly. It was too awkward. And this one, I'm just going to hang at the back. So I'll just punch a hole through there, tie it onto the side, actually I'll punch a hole through there, tie it onto the sides, and we'll have a back reflector as well. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, there we go. I'll do another shot of getting the additional light panels in when they arrive from our favourite Chinese company. But all done. Out in the yard. Hopefully I'll have less leggy legumes. And there it is at night, so we can actually see it. Let's open it up. Not too bad, I don't think. Oh, I'm happy with that. Have fun, enjoy life, and I'll catch you in the garden.